Welcome, streamers. Before we jump into details, let's talk about an outstanding IPTV provider, 2TV.store. Need help? Reach out to Nancy, their customer support wizard. Now, let's delve into IPTV services. Is your favorite service down right now? Don't fret. We have solutions to get your streaming back up swiftly. The first step to investigating is checking your internet connection. A stable network is crucial for uninterrupted IPTV service. Are you facing connectivity issues? Next, ensure your IPTV provider isn't experiencing server issues by visiting their official status page. Any ongoing maintenance? Get insights directly from the source. Try restarting both your device and router. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve technical glitches and restore normal streaming services effectively. In conclusion, from checking networks to resetting devices, these steps will help you tackle IPTV problems. Stay informed, stay entertained with 2TV.store.